Hi, my name is Christian Cardona. Today we'll be discussing SPL-5, specifically question number 3, which asks us to list 3 types of malware. So today's topic, we'll be talking about 3 different types of malware, which include number 1, viruses, number 2, spyware, and number 3, Trojan horses. And so the first one that we will be talking about today is viruses. And basically, a computer virus is a computer program that attacks a computer system. For example, the virus might erase or it may modify files that are on the computer. Or a virus might make a computer function incorrectly or not be able to function at all. Viruses are mainly contrived through 2 methods. One method is by email. And so a virus will be attached to an email, and it might send itself to everyone in the user's contact list using that user's name. For example, a virus attached to an email might send itself to everyone in my contact list using my name. So it uses my email to send out that virus. Another way a virus can be contracted is through a file transfer. And so one might contract a virus when one downloads a file from the internet. For example, if you download an MP3 file or you download a document, or you can access a file from an external media such as a USB disk. An example of a virus in today's society, a real-world example, would be the Melissa virus. And the Melissa virus was written by David L. Smith, and this Melissa virus was the first successful email-aware virus. And basically, David L. Smith, the creator, inserted a quote from the Simpsons television show into the Word document, which basically was the virus itself. And so we see here that a virus was contracted through the email, through the downloadable file from the email. Just to kind of give you a little fun fact was that Smith, who created the virus, was later sentenced to jail for causing $80 million worth of damage. The next type of malware that we will be talking about today is called spyware, and spyware is the second one that we will be talking about. Spyware, instead of destroying files like a virus, captures all of the individual's activities, such as websites visited, like the history, passwords entered, and credit card numbers, for example. And a real-world example of spyware would include Internet Optimizer. Internet Optimizer, what it does, it basically redirects the Internet Explorer error pages to advertising. So when a user follows a broken link or enters an erroneous URL, then they will then see a page of advertisements. And so when they follow that broken link or put in a wrong URL, an erroneous URL, they'll be taken to a page of advertisements, and it's that page of advertisements that contains the spyware. The last form of malware that we will be talking about today is known as the Trojan horse. So the Trojan horse is basically a malicious code that's hidden inside other programs. So it might use the host to attack others, or might use the host to steal information. An example of a Trojan horse in today's society, about a story of a Trojan horse, would include the Trojan downloader. The Trojan downloader can download and install new versions of malicious programs onto the computer, including Trojans and adware. So that is today's topic, question number 3, to list 3 types of malware, which we talked about were viruses was our first example, spyware was our second example, and the Trojan horse was our third example. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and thank you for watching.